Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring a reliable backup and removing account ties. First, make a time machine backup or a full clone and confirm it works. Once done, sign out of iCloud, Messages, and disable Find My so activation lock won't block you. Make sure you know your Apple ID and Wi-Fi network name and password. If you set a firmware or startup password, remove it now. These steps prevent activation issues and let you proceed directly to recovery without delays. You now enter the built-in recovery and wipe the drive. Shut down and hold the power button until the startup options and recovery appear. Choose Options and continue. Open Disk Utility, switch to Show All Devices, select the internal physical drive, and erase the apps container using Apps or Mac OS Extended if required by an older installer. Once erased, quit Disk Utility and choose Reinstall Mac OS. Select the freshly erased Macintosh HD and let the installer download and install the system automatically. Once the installer finishes, the Mac restarts and shows the Setup Assistant. You can complete setup for personal use or press Command Q to leave it ready for a new owner. Make sure activation lock isn't present by checking Apple ID removal earlier. If installation or booting fails, reboot into recovery, run Disk Utility First Aid, and retry the erase and reinstall. If problems persist, firmware passwords or Apple ID locks, contact Apple support with purchase proof so they can remove locks and help finish the reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.